Hello everybody, welcome today to my channel. I want to wish you a lovely 2021. I hope this year will bring you love, health, light and a lot of fun playing mantras on ukulele. I want to thank you for following my channel, and I want to say that I am really happy to read your comments, to receive your requests, and that I actually visited every subscriber to my channel. You know, I watched all of you. If I have a new subscriber, I'm always going to see who is this person and how does he or she looks like. And because I'm very happy. I'm very happy and grateful that you're following me and the mantras and the ukulele, because I love it to share the love and light with you. So thank you for that. I am including this video also because I have a New Year's question to ask, and I also want to report a New Year's message. Both of them were created by Tessa, and Tessa is a subscriber to my channel, but also a really good ukulele friend now, because she started to follow ukulele classes online with me last year. And we were both thinking about making some more creative space for you all. And I want to ask, and also Tessa wants to ask, if there is some interest in maybe a Facebook group for this year, that you can get to know each other and also post some videos for yourself with the ukulele and showing the mantras that you learned from my channel, or maybe other mantras. So it will be only for the subscribers to my channel, that you get to know each other, that you can post some, films or little movies from yourself playing the mantras and ukulele. And whatever else a community can bring, like love, share the light, and be together and feel the abundance. What I also want to announce is that in 2021 I'm going to offer online classes for mantras and ukulele. So if you are interested in that, you can also send me an email. Here you see the address. Or you can reply also on this video, and then let's see how we can maybe make an appointment. Just to let you know, I'm not a technical player of ukulele. It's just that I really love to help you further with playing the mantras that I posted. And maybe you have other mantras that you want to learn, and we can look at it. For me, the most important thing is that you have fun, that you feel from the heart the music, that you can share it into the world with friends or family. So what I want to say is that for me, the important thing about giving you classes is that you learn to have fun with the ukulele and the mantras, to shine your light in a way, or to, dive deep into your feelings, to enjoy. It's not about always the perfect playing, when you really feel it from the inside, then it will come also so from the outside. And yeah, last but not least, I want to thank you that you are following me, and that you play the music and, shine this light and bring these frequencies out to the world and to yourself and to your family, friends, whatever, whatever is around you that can enjoy this beautiful instrument and the mantras. I guess that's it for now. I want to wish you a lovely day. I want to wish you a beautiful weekend. And I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.